Hello everybody and welcome back to DIY Tuesdays. Today I am going to be making this lovely vintage jewelry stand that you can hold your rings, your bracelets, or whatever you like on it. So for the first step, I'm going to just spray paint this old picture frame. Fun fact, this picture frame was $4 at a garage sale. And I just figured why not repurpose it. Now when I did this first color, I did realize that it was not the gold that I was looking for, so I went back and I bought another one. Tip for you, the cap color is usually what the color is. I didn't know that till afterwards, but I found that this was the better color, and I'll link everything in the description box below. So next, I'm just going to take a piece of cardboard and cut it out into the circular shape. Once that is cut and it seems to fit, I am going to draw a line in the center to kind of help me with my next steps, to give me some boundaries as to where I am going to glue so that I know that it will fit. So I am going to be using these wooden dowels and this white felt paper. It's really simple what to do at this part, guys. You can get these from I believe it was from Joanns, but I am going to kind of outline and measure how many I need to create. And I'm just going to place the dowel in the center and I'm going to roll it. But we are going to use the hot glue, obviously, to get this to stick. Now, fun fact for you guys, the tips of my fingers have been burned so many times that I've almost lost a little bit of sensitivity in them. And what tends to happen when I'm doing projects or cooking, it takes me a little while to realize that my fingertips are burning. In this project, I think I got 3 burns. One that was pretty severe. Yeah, I think that might have been it. So do be careful when you're rolling it. You want to make sure that it's nice and tight, because this is going to help when you're placing your jewelry item in the slot. If it's loose and it's able to move around a lot, it may not hold it as best as it can. So just make sure that when you're rolling this, it's nice and tight, and just glue at the beginning, glue at the end, and that's pretty much it. Now you're going to make as many as you need for your side. After that, you're just going to hot glue each one onto the cardboard, and then you are going to cut whatever excess is necessary. I would cut a little and leave a little room for error, because I did cut a few too short. You can always go back and adjust, but you do want to cut it to that circular shape or whatever shape your thing is going to be. And then you just place it on the inside, use the back of the picture frame to latch it in. And that's it, guys. It was so easy, super affordable. You can literally do this with whatever picture frame you have, and it will look just as gorgeous as this one does. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my next video.